Komachielo en weche mag rito kor lwasi e pacho ka onywak ne romo makanyakla ma oketi kod jokanyo moting'o jotelo mag piny owacho kotele kod jalup jatend piny Kindiki. Kindiki wacho ni piny Kenya oikore mar tiyo gi jokanyo mopogore opogore e bero chal mar lwasi e pacho ka kokalo kuom kembe makare. Sen migawo Debra Baraza medo jiwo chumi makare kokawo winjruok moketi kijiwo kembe mondo mi oket maino e rito alwora ma gitiyogo kendo chwalo tije ne rowere e kembe mopogore opogore.
Stand up and exchange the MOU agreement that is signed. Let's give them a hand as well as they exchange this. The first institutional clean cooking sector pack, a groundbreaking document.
We are presenting a circular economy investment prospectus highlighting the opportunities in recycling waste, management, and resource-efficient industries that can create jobs while reducing environmental impact. These demonstrate that Africa's green industrial transition is not theoretical, it is practical, investable, and is already underway. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the transition to green global economy is inevitable. The only question before us is where the industries of the future will be built. As a country, Kenya is ready to work with partners across Africa and around the world to unlock this extraordinary potential and opportunity. Together, let us transform Africa into a globally competitive hub for sustainable manufacturing and green innovation. Let us ensure that the next chapter of global industrialization is written in Africa and powered by Africa's green energy.
We can accelerate the shift towards a resilient, resource-efficient economy that benefits communities, preserves our planet, and drives economic growth for the future. Today's AGII forum is not just about the launch of the prospectus document. It is about affirming a new economic narrative for Kenya, one where waste is no longer an environmental liability, but a catalyst for green growth, industrial innovation, and the creation of decent jobs for the youth and women.